Hi, in this video I will show you how to create 3D logos on the Canva. So the process is pretty simple. So if you don't know how to use the Adobe Photoshop, or you don't know how to create logo on the Adobe Photoshop or in the Adobe Illustrator, you can simply go for the Canva. Here you will get already templates for the logo, so you can easily create a logo for you. So simply search for the canva.com on the browser, or you can simply use application on your phone. So I am on the browser. So you have to click on the create a design, and you have to search for the logo from here. And in this video we will create a 3D logo. So in the set template you have to search for the 3D, and you will see a 3D logo appear here, and here you will see a 3D logos are appear. So you can simply select any logo from here. You have to search for free version. Also you will see a 3D building. To create a logo you can search in the elements for 3D. You will see a building is appear here. So we can simply create a new page, and these shapes are in the pro version. Better if you have the pro version. Right now I am on free version, so I will get a logo. So this is the 3D logo. You can also add a text by clicking on the text by add a heading. Let's say triangle pizza. Tap on it and go to the elements. Logo designing is just a creativity. So you can show your creativity like this. So a new logo is created. Now you can simply click on the download and download to your device and upload it anywhere. So this is the procedure to create a 3D logo on the Canva. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.